Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Beautiful day. Hey, hey, hey. What a beautiful Tuesday. Ayun ang sun, si Haring Araw, nasa likod ng matataas na building. Hey, 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 share ko lang sa inyo to. Ayan ang aking inuuwian, ang pinakamataas dyan na nag-iisa sa gitna ng kabildingan. Ayan mga guys, may parating na malaking vapor, boat, malaking boat. Good morning guys. Ayan po, may parating o kararating lang na malaking boat. Ano ba sa Tagalog to, barko? Oh my goodness! A big wave hit the wall. OMG! I just want to take picture here. Yeah. Okay, this is my captured moment of the big wave. Hello, wave. Guys, pampagod vibes lang. Huwag sana mahulog ang mobile ko, oh my god. Ayan na po, nakarating na at magpipick up ng mga workers. Ayun. Look at that guys. There's a lot of people here doing some exercise like jogging, running, etc. And there is some people sitting down under the, you know, what do you call this, cottage or what? I don't know. This is a kind of park. Yeah, park, exactly. Anyway, good morning and thank you. Thank you for watching and see you all to my next vlog. And this is me, naluluka me. No. Okay, have a beautiful day. Today is a Tuesday. There is one, okay, one more. I just want to take this picture. One yak. A beautiful, look like luxury, but it's too far. Let me take it. Isum ko lang ha. Hindi kaya. Okay, anyway. Thank you. Hope you enjoy my vlogs today, which is I am what? Naluluka day.